Here is a way to use stones to create emotion stones. And I like emotion stones because students can use these as a narrative therapy technique where they're telling you a story. So I've just gotten some white stones from my local hobby shop, and I am using, to start off with, just a black Sharpie. Now I've taken two just to kind of make for a demonstration. On one part, I have his face. Okay, so this guy has an angry face, and then on the back, I've written angry on there. This one right here, it's a happy face, and so I wrote happy on the back. So you can take other ones and give more emotions to it. So like, let's say that I'm gonna make a sad one. And you can probably make these a little bit better than I can, but I'm just doing my best for you guys. So this one is sad. There he is. Okay, so now we have a sad character as well. And I've written sad on the back. So what you can do is go online and get a list of feeling words. And as you make these stones, you can make one for each of the different feelings. You can make a little bag and you can put all of these in there. So when a student comes to you and they want to tell you a story, you can bring out the emotion stones. Now, one other fun thing you can do with them, with the students, is make them with Expo markers. So this is a dry erase marker. And as you know, you go on the dry erase place and it will go away. So the students could make their own faces on there. So if they were kind of annoyed and they wanted to make an annoyed face, okay, so for example, here's an annoyed face, and then they could write annoyed on the back of it. It would be, it's fun because then they can come back over it, or you can come back at the end and you can just brush over it and it comes right off. And that way you can use the white stones again for different things. So that's emotion stones. I think they're a lot of fun and they're a good idea, and I hope this is helpful for you.